Okay, today we are going to talk about device drivers. Usually if you have trouble with a device, it is most likely a bad driver or the wrong driver or an outdated driver. Easiest way to check for that is to type in device manager. And as you see, you don't even have to type it in completely. We go to our device manager, and this is going to show us all the devices that are hooked up to our computer. If you'd look along here, if we did have a driver that was outdated or didn't have a driver on any of these hardware things, there would be a triangle, yellow triangle with an exclamation mark in it. But since there isn't any, let's just go ahead and pick one here, and let's go with display adapters. As you see right there, it's an AMD Radeon HD. If you go over here, it gives you the general information about it, but right here's what we're looking for, under driver. It'll tell you the driver that's there. If you want all the details, you can click here, right here where it says update driver, and that you can click on that. It is that, and then you want to search automatically. If you're hooked to the internet, it'll actually go online, look, and check to see if you have the new, current, most updated driver, or if there is, it's going to tell you that you have the best driver for your laptop or computer. So it's continuing to search. Sometimes it's really quick, other times it takes a little bit. And there you see right there, it tells you we have the best driver for our graphics, and that installed already. So that is how we would update. If you're really unsure about a driver, if you're having problems with the device and you just really can't tell if it's a driver that's causing the problems, once again you can go in to your driver and you can tell it to disable the device. And there you see the triangle with the exclamation mark that I was talking about. And that if you tell it yes, and it'll come back, and that if you disable it, try that device. If it works, then you know it's probably a driver problem. And as you can see, I lost my screen because of that, so we are going to enable it again, and back comes our second screen actually that you guys are seeing. So, and that is device drivers, a little bit on them, how to update them, how to check and see if there's a problem. You want to be careful disabling device drivers, because once you disable it, that actually disables that device. So make sure you're not disabling a device that you actually need to use to get around. If you disable a keyboard and that, make sure you can still get around with your mouse. If you disable the mouse, make sure you know how to use the keyboard to get around. So, alright, that's a short video on device drivers, how to update them,